Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, I'm actually trading three pairs. Okay, I'm trading GBP USD, I'm trading Euro USD, and I'm trading EURCAD. So I'm going to be giving you analysis of what I actually saw before entering these trades, so that you can actually benefit from the analysis. Okay, probably it's going to give you an idea of how I trade, and you can also apply it to your own trading system. Okay, so first things first, let me start with the Euro USD. Okay, so for the Euro USD, all right, I noticed that there was a sweep. Okay, it's not the Euro USD that had the sweep of liquidity. For the Euro USD, we had market moving in the downward direction. Okay, so you can see market was giving us lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, clear downward formation. Okay, so the structure was downwards. I was only waiting to see some form of market structure shift. Okay, so what do you see happening here? You can see that a lower low was created and a lower high, but instead of us having a lower low created again, instead we had a low that is higher low. So when you are in a downtrend, and instead of creation of an higher of a lower low, you have creation of an higher low, that's the first sign that market is about to shift sentiment from selling to buying. Okay, so all you just need to do is now wait for a break of structure. Okay, so the high that was created has to be broken. All right, so what do you see happening here? You would notice that this high right here that was created, okay, it was broken by this bullish candle. So that is a valid market structure shift. Okay, that's a valid market structure shift. All right, so something else I would like to bring to your notice. Look at this leg, this price leg that actually broke structure. What do you see around that region? There is a fair value gap right here. Okay, there's a fair value gap right here. All right, because the wick of this red candle does not intersect with the wick of this candle, leaving us with a gap in between. So I was not watching the trade when this formed. Okay, so I only came and saw that the fair value gap has already formed and market has already tapped into it. All right, as you can see, market tapped right into the fair value gap and pushed in the upward direction. Okay, so I think this blue candle was the one being printed when I came to the chart. This one right here, this one in the middle. Okay, so all I was waiting for, I was waiting to see if market was going to come back to the fair value gap again. Okay, in order for me to take my entry. Now this is actually a bit funny. Market came back to the fair value gap, but I did not enter the trade. The reason why I did not enter the trade at that point is I wanted to see extra confirmation, because market has already entered the fair value gap and it's filled it up. Did you notice that the gap is already filled? So since the gap is filled, I need extra confirmation to enter this trade. Okay, the only thing that was giving me some form of assurance is that this high has not been taken. This high right here, okay, has not been taken. So market could still want to go and take the liquidity above it, but I need extra confirmation to enter, because the market has already tapped into the fair value gap. So my extra confirmation is I wanted to see something like maybe a bullish candle or so. So when this bullish candle started forming, okay, when the bullish candle started forming, I entered the trade. You can see when I entered the trade. Okay, I entered the trade at that level. All right, place my stop loss below the swing, okay, and I'm targeting close to that high that I pointed out. Okay, so I'm targeting this high right here. Where is it? I'm targeting above this high. Okay, so the thing is, I'm going for, this is about 1 to 2.5 risk to reward ratio, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm risking about $9.6 and I'm trying to get about $22. Okay, that's more than 1 to 2. Okay, that's more than 1 to 2. All right, but it's not up to 1 to 3. If it were to be 1 to 3, it will be $9 to 27, or $27 profit, $9 risk. Okay, so basically that's what's up. That's the reason why I entered this particular trade, and you can see where the market is close to my take profits right now. So that's just the analysis, very simple and straight to the point. Okay, so let's go to the, which one did I analyze just now? I analyzed Euro USD. So let's go to EURCAD. Okay, so the EURCAD is also close to my take profits, as you can clearly see. Okay, so for the EURCAD, let me zoom out a bit. Okay, so this is what happened when it comes to EURCAD. Liquidity was swept. I noticed a build of liquidity at this level. Okay, when I see price doing this kind of stuff, as if it's accumulating, liquidity is going to be built below and above that level. So the liquidity above has been taken since we had a liquidity run in the upward direction. All right, so the liquidity below that level has not been taken. So I used this trend line to just highlight the level, so I will know that okay, anytime price comes below this level, it's going to serve as a liquidity sweep. Okay, if it comes below it and push in the opposite direction, then it's a liquidity sweep. Okay, and you know what happens after a liquidity sweep? There's going to be serious movement in the opposite direction. Okay, so I also put an horizontal line at the extreme point. Look at this horizontal line at the extreme point of that low. Okay, expecting it to be swept, and exactly that expectation was met at this level. Okay, so I was simply just scouting for an opportunity to actually enter a buy trade. Okay, as you can see, we had a lower low right here. All right, sorry, an higher low right here, then we had an higher high, then a low. Then when I saw this bullish candle forming right here, which was like engulfing this candle, okay, this bullish candle that was engulfing that candle, I entered my buy trade. Okay, place my stop loss below the swing. You can see the stop loss level below the swing. Okay, even all these rejection candles you are seeing is telling you that price is rejecting the lower levels and it's about to push in the upwards direction. So I entered after I saw this solid bullish candle forming in order to move in the upwards direction. Okay, so I'm targeting this high right here. Look at this high right here. That's what I'm targeting, because if price wants to move up, I expect it to seek liquidity resting above the highs. Okay, I expect it to seek liquidity resting above the highs. Okay, basically those are the ones I'm going to give you analysis for, because the GBP USD trade is actually a premium what's it called, is a premium strategy. All right, that's the trade I entered last. Okay, right now we're still dancing in between negative and positive. That's the trade I entered last. All right, but it's a premium strategy, so I won't be explaining that. I can only explain those ones that, you know, are like my free strategies that everybody can actually utilize. Okay, so if you got any value, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.